This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Photographer Raghubir Singh once famously said that it takes more than a lifetime to contemplate the Ganga. And who hasn't contemplated it? Kabir was born on its banks. Mirza Ghalib wrote poetry to it. Pandit Nehru called it the pulse of India. In 24 hours, we tell you the story of the Ganga through the eyes of a unique expedition that journeys from its source in the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal. We joined the expedition at Ramdaulia village, about 15 kilometers from Patna. Ahead of us, a journey on the Ganga up to Bhagalpur, a stretch of the river that's less known, less high profile, but immensely fascinating.
Can you pass me some oil?
You guys are part of the team, so you join us, you help with everything, we help you with everything. Come with us.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, folks, bye-bye. Thank you very much. I did about 12 rivers, but the major rivers I did is obviously Amazonas, Rio Orinoco in South America, then Rio Apure in South America, and then the Mekong. We went up from basically Ho Chi Minh, Saigon, all the way up to China in ribs like this, which was a great adventure. And then the Zambezi, where I met my co-expedition leader and friend, Apal. Once he said to me, Andy, why you have to go to Africa? Why you have to go to South America? Why you go to Southeast Asia? Come to India. India is a beautiful, beautiful country, and we have the most famous rivers. And the Ganges River is, for me, I learned it in school, that, you know, with all your mystic things and all the special might this river has.
Andy Lehman, a Swiss adventurer known as the Riverman, leads the expedition of people from 6 different countries.
For me, the biggest experience was to see the diversity of this river. How diverse it is, the culture, the landscape, wildlife. And I've always been close to Ganga. I've always been to Ganga with my grandmother. But I always saw the river from one side. It was first time I was in the river and seeing things.
We crossed Patna, and if I had entered from any road or anything, I would have seen people, streets. But when we entered Patna from Ganges, I could see just the old buildings, old ghats, the old Patna people, their old lifestyle, what we have lost today in the city.
The expedition's philosophy is powerful: to map the environmental crises facing the river without losing sight of the rich cultural life that exists on its banks.
चाय मिलेगी भैया यहाँ पे? दूर तो नहीं है? ठीक.
इस जगह का महत्व मंदिर गौरी शंकर हैं और प्रसिद्ध मंदिर हैं, बहुत पुराने मंदिर हैं. उत्तरायण गंगा यहाँ बनारस से कम महत्व बाढ़ का नहीं है. यहाँ भी प्रसिद्ध जगह है.
पानी पहले से घट भी तो गया है ना?
हाँ, घटा हुआ पानी
इस समय यहाँ
भी गंदा भी हो गया.
और ये हम प्रसिद्ध में यहाँ दाल मिल व्यापार में प्रसिद्ध है.
यहाँ का दाल कहाँ जाता है?
ऑल इंडिया
जाता है.
ऑल इंडिया. don't believe me, no? I tell you, go there, go there, go there.
Perhaps not so clear on camera, but we've just hit a sandbank, which means you have to get off right in the middle of the river and physically pull the boat off. On this stretch, this doesn't happen often. But on earlier stretches, the heavy damming and barrages have choked the river.
The first 500 kilometers we did, from the Terry Dam all the way down to basically Varanasi. It was always the issue that we had basically no water to navigate, and we're talking 1 month after monsoon. 80% of the river flow went into the channels, and the riverbed didn't have any water. After transporting the boats around the dams, we find no water for 40-50 kilometers, which makes it very hard for the people living there. That could be shared better, that we guarantee the people on the river a minimum amount of water. Obviously, the river suffers because of the dams. We take the water, and the river is not capable anymore to clean itself.
River pollution is a well-highlighted theme for the Ganga, but trickier still, this physical choking of the river.
मेरा घर गाज़ीपुर में है। मेरे घर से करीब 4-5 किलोमीटर दूर पे गंगा जाती है। इसमें जो हमने देखा कि इस तरफ से जब हम गंगा से अपने शहर को या अपनी जहाँ जिन इलाकों को हम जानते हैं उनको भी जो देखा तो बिल्कुल एक नया पहलू दिखाई देता है, पहचान में नहीं आते हैं। और कहीं हमने पढ़ा था कि आदमी काम करता है ज़िंदा रहने के लिए, और काम करते करते वो ज़िंदा रहना ज़िंदगी भूल जाता है। इसमें आपको वो फिर से क्या है, क्यों है, गंगा के साथ साथ अपना भी थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लोरेशन हो रहा है, अपने को आपको भी एक्सप्लोर करना है।
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम।
Rivers evoke a sense of history. Here we're reminded of Mahabharat's most heartbreaking character, Karn, who is once said to have ruled over this region, present-day Munger, Begusarai, Simaria. Karn's character recreated again and again by writers and poets. As we recall Rashmirithi, an epic poem on Karn by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, in a moment of serendipity, we arrive at Dinkar's birthplace, Simaria Ghat. भाई साहब, सिमरिया घाट आगे है? यही है। यही है सिमरिया घाट। यही है। Simaria Ghat, a mini Kashi in its significance. Each year in the Hindu month of Kartik, thousands of pilgrims come and stay for a month. Most of them women with 1,000 stories to tell.
हम विधवा हैं, लड़की है,
आप अकेले आई हैं?
हाँ, अकेले कलकत्ता से।
पर डे सवेरे 3 बजे स्नान करेंगे, पर डे फिर दही चूड़ा खाएंगे।
तो अपना सेवन में जंगल में जैसे सीता जी रहता वैसे ही।
Khopri Maji, as she's called, has dreadlocks. It inspires awe and wonder, and has returned the status she lost when she was widowed at the age of 22.
Well, it's very exciting, and the thing is that there's curiosity on both sides, and not just among us, looking at things, but also, as you see here, you create a whole, group of people coming and looking, witnessing, and asking where you're going, what are you doing, why are you doing it. So it's a possibility for exchange?
It was different from any holiday or any professional trip I ever made, because I was walking through this burning gut and it was so intense. And
for us European guys, it's a little bit different, and we had to adapt a little bit to food. We got used to the local food, and funny enough, when we came to Varanasi and we went to an Italian restaurant, everybody got kind of stomach sick. So you see how quickly you adapt. Right there on the bank. Yeah. Welcome on my island, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to host you here. Sorry enough to have to say it costs $10 a person a night. Is that fine?
Yeah. The real joy in this is being able to get off along the banks of the Ganga for the night. So by late afternoon, a campsite's been identified. This one is near Samaria Ghat in Begusarai. Sandy terrain which makes it easier to pitch tents. The last 2 hours of some daylight needed to pitch tents and start the cooking. For the fishermen on these banks though, work is about to begin.
हम लोग का सारी रात काम होता है, सारी रात काम करते हैं, दिन में सोते हैं.
It's evident that despite innumerable plans and crores spent, the Ganga is in desperate crisis. Its pollution and low water levels now affecting the lives of millions who live on it.
पहले हर मछली था, अभी कुछ नहीं जनाता है, न कछुआ जनाता है, न मछली जनाता है, न घड़ियाल कम जनाता है सब.
ये क्यों?
मछली पानी के कारण, पानी नहीं है.
नदी यही कि सब नदी जो भर भर के जब बांध पिटे रहता है तो मछली छोड़ता है तो है ही नहीं, तो मछली आएगा कि कहाँ से इधर.
On a lighter note, the belief that all boatmen or fishermen sing soulfully is met with this.
गंगा से गाना तो वही बूढ़ा आदमी सुना देगा, हम तो कैसे सुनाएंगे, हम लोग तो पिक्चर का गाना कौन सा सुनाता.
जिसकी बीबी नाटी उसका ही बड़ा नाम है, जिसकी बीबी नाटी जिस तरह पे सोला दो गद्दे का क्या.
Cinco, cinco, domalisi, oral se moral, ale malo kolečko se mi polamalo.
On this one, I'm the guy on the land. I have to resupply the boats with fuel, with water, with food if they need it, whatever else they need to. I meet them in different meeting points.
We were making a salad for last 45 minutes, at least.
बेसिकली इस एक्सपेडिशन पे मुझे कुकिंग के लिए बुलाया गया और बाकी सारी कैंप एक्टिविटी में हम हेल्प करते हैं.
Well, the Swiss, what they do is, in the mountains, they yodel. It goes, you Switzerland! Yalala dualala 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 Yalala dualala 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 Yalala dualala 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 Yuhui! That's Switzerland.
Right. 24 Hours, brought to you by SR. Let's begin. Thomas Cook, The Holiday Wallas. Samsonite, a century of going places. And Platinum. When is your Platinum Day of Love?